Bollywood heroines, once the damsels in distress, now the damsels who distress the patriarchy. But wait, have they really evolved? Or are we just trading one stereotype for another? Are Indian heroines finally becoming real women, or are we still stuck in a glittery illusion? The golden cage of the ideal woman. Remember the old school Bollywood heroine? She was beautiful, obedient, and also sacrificial. A good Indian woman, wrapped in silk saris, dripping in morality, and ready to forgive the hero, even if he was drunk, violent, or downright useless. These heroines didn't have their own dreams. Their only goal? To be the perfect wife, daughter, or sister. Basically, a trophy for the hero's display cabinet. You'd think this template died decades ago, right? Spoiler alert, it didn't. The modern heroine, empowered or just marketable? Fast forward to today, and Bollywood heroines are finally punching bad guys and making speeches about independence. But hold on, are they truly free, or are they just shiny, new products for the woke audience? Take a closer look. For every scene where a heroine fights patriarchy, there's another where she's reduced to an item song. It's empowerment with a side of male gaze. Are these empowered women or just rebranded trophies? The strong woman stereotype. And then there's the strong woman trope. She's angry, she's aggressive, and she's always out to prove a point. It's like Bollywood thinks there are only two types of women, VP doormats or bulletproof warriors. What happened to portraying women as, humans? Real strength isn't about never crying or breaking down, it's about balance. But Bollywood often confuses complex with confusing. The missing middle ground? Now, let's give credit where it's due. We do have heroines who feel like real women, flawed, complicated, and relatable. These characters aren't waiting for a hero to rescue them, nor are they trying to be superheroes. They're just living. But the problem? These films are the exception, not the rule. Bollywood's reluctance to let go of the hero. Bollywood's biggest weakness, it just can't let the hero go. Even when the heroine gets a meaty role, it's still tied to the hero's journey. The heroine's empowerment? It often feels like a subplot in the hero's redemption arc. Why can't her story just be her story? What does real look like? So, what does a real woman look like? She's messy, ambitious, tired, strong, and vulnerable, all at once. She's not a type, she's a person. And Bollywood, it's still figuring this out. These stories give us hope. They're not perfect, but they're a step in the right direction. Bollywood has the power to shape how millions of people see women. So, dear filmmakers, stop giving us clichés. We don't need heroines who are damsels in distress or bulletproof feminists. We need women who feel like us. Women who aren't just fighting patriarchy, but also dealing with PNS, bad bosses, and the chaos of everyday life. And for the audience, let's stop celebrating mediocrity. Demand better stories, because real women deserve real representation. We've had enough of damsels and dolls. It's time for real women to take the screen. Like, share, and tag your favorite Bollywood director. Tell them, no more damsels.